Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix slow internet on your T Mobile router so you can enjoy faster, more reliable Wi-Fi. Many people get frustrated when their router shows full signal but the internet crawls. This can happen due to poor placement, interference, or outdated settings. Method 1. Restart your router. Unplug your T Mobile router from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches that cause slow speeds. Method 2. Check router placement. Keep your router in a central, open area of your home. Avoid placing it near walls, microwaves, or other electronics that cause interference. Method 3. Update router firmware. Log into your T Mobile router settings through the web interface or app. Check for firmware updates and install the latest version to improve performance. Method 4. Limit connected devices. Too many devices can slow down your Wi-Fi. Disconnect any unused devices or set up a guest network. Method 5. Switch Wi-Fi bands. If your router supports both 2.4G and 5G, use 2.4G for longer range. Use 5G for faster speeds at close range. Important notes. Always check your internet plan speed with a speed test to confirm it matches what you're paying for. If slow speeds continue, contact T Mobile support. There may be an issue with your area's network. Consider adding a Wi-Fi extender if your home is large or has many walls. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more T Mobile fixes and Wi-Fi tips.